What if I told you that just 5 inventions shaped the entire history of woodworking? From ancient civilizations to pioneer log cabins to today's workshops, these are the 5 tools that built the world around us. The saw. The saw dates back to around 1500 BC in ancient Egypt. Early versions were made from bronze with serrated teeth, cutting through wood slowly but effectively. For pioneers, the handsaw became essential, transforming heavy logs into boards for homes, wagons, and furniture. Today, whether it's a simple handsaw or a roaring circular saw, the principle remains the same. Every cut shapes possibility. The hand plane. By the 1700s, the hand plane had become a woodworker's best friend. Before its invention, boards were left rough, uneven, and full of splinters. With a sharp iron blade held in a wooden body, the hand plane smoothed rough timbers into precise, polished surfaces. From colonial furniture to pioneer workbenches, the plane gave wood a refined finish. Even in today's power tool world, every serious craftsman still keeps a hand plane within reach. Joinery. Joinery isn't a tool, but an invention of method. From ancient Japanese temples over 1,000 years ago to pioneer cabins in the 1800s, joinery techniques made wood strong, functional, and lasting. Dovetails, mortise and tenon, and hand-cut notches connected timber without a single nail. For pioneers, a carefully cut joint meant the difference between a cabin that lasted one winter and one that stood for generations. The lathe. The lathe, often called the first machine tool, appeared around 1300 BC. It was revolutionary. Instead of cutting wood in straight lines, it allowed craftsmen to spin timber and carve perfect circles and curves. Ancient Egyptians used it for bowls and tools. By the Middle Ages, the foot-powered pole lathe shaped spindles, columns, and chair legs. And today, modern lathes still carry the same principle, turning raw logs into both beauty and utility. And finally, the chisel. Dating back over 6,000 years, it's one of the simplest yet most powerful woodworking tools ever made. Ancient Mesopotamians and Egyptians carved temples with it. Pioneers used it to cut notches, shape joints, and carve details into their homes and furniture. In the hands of a skilled craftsman, a chisel transforms raw wood into artistry, proving that sometimes the simplest inventions last the longest. From the saw that cut raw beams, to the plane that smoothed them, joinery that held them, the lathe that shaped them, and the chisel that refined them, these 5 inventions built our world. They connect us to history, to craftsmanship, and to the spirit of creation that still inspires woodworkers today. Are you ready to build like a pioneer? Be sure to click like and subscribe. Also click link in bio or video description to access 50 free woodworking plans today.